So as you remember, we generally follow our step number one is we will always start with the scanner, right? Whether it can be RC scan or it can be RCDSFS. Let me also add. We will add one of the scanners, and whenever scanner gives a signal, we can go to the chart and see whether we have confluence from the other indicators. Or the second approach is you can always set notifications using any one of the indicators like top trend or swing indicator. And whenever you receive a signal, for example, we got a sell alert on Tesla, we got a notification. So then we have to go and check is right. Should we go ahead and buy puts here? So for example, if you in this see in this example, let me hide the scanner. So overall, Tesla is in a bullish trend, right? Everything is green here, everything is green here. So even though we get a sell signal, it might be only it may go down for a very short amount of time and again go up. So it is little risky. Maybe if it goes all the way till 206, that is a huge sell order block. That is the best time to sell rather than now, right? Because still the trend is bullish, the momentum is bullish. So we can ignore this sell signal. Let us look at TTD. We got a buy alert, right? Because stock is moving up. So we got a buy alert. So here you can see when you got the buy alert around 5 minutes back, this was a huge bullish order block. RSI, everything is green, but it already went to the top of the channel. It may touch this and then start coming back. Like this, you can set the alerts. If you put swing alert, it might be little delayed. So, but we got a sell signal. What do you think about hut cell signal again? Yeah, the problem is we have it may touch this and then start moving up again. The trend is bullish. RSI is bearish, but if we don't have this buy order block, then that would have been a good opportunity. And also, you can look at like what are the stocks moving good today, right? For example, all the stocks are moving good today. So you can go and set some notification, like whichever stocks are moving good for the day. On those stocks, you can set an alert for the buy and sell because there is a lot of momentum. So whenever we receive a buy signal or sell signal, we can go and check them. So you can do this even before the market open. You can look at like which stocks are moving good. You can set the alerts. If PSLL goes here, then there can be a big drop. That is like a strong resistance. Hope you got it right. Either we can use the scanner, right? I can go to the scan and I can add all these ones as a custom tickets, whichever are moving good today. I can add them to my custom scanner. So whenever I see that it is near close to a buy order block, then I can go and buy the calls. Or if it is close to sell order block, if there are any bearish tickers, if they are close to a sell order block, then we can buy the puts. So there are two ways, right? One is either you use the scanner. Whenever scanner gives something, look for the confluence in the chart from other indicators. The second approach is just wait for the alerts. Whenever you receive an alert, you go and check whether that sell signal or buy signal is making sense. Do you have confidence from other indicators? If you have confidence from other indicators, then you can go ahead and take them by yourself. So for TTD, there is a sell order block. It went all the way from the bottom of the channel. It went to the top of the channel. So your overall swing cloud is orange. That means for swing trading, it is still bearish. Your day trading cloud became green. So if it starts dropping, if we see a sell signal, and if RSI turns to red for 1, 3, and 5, then we can buy the puts here. Right? Overall, the price is in a downtrend. Right? Until yesterday, it was keep going up. It went to nearly 100.2. Then it came all the way to the bottom, went up, came to the bottom, went up, came to the bottom, went up. So there is a possibility for price to drop again. Okay, now we got some alerts on these signals, whichever I kept now. Buy sell alert on alarm. So we got a sell, so it went all the way to the premium zone. Right? If you see here, this is the discount area, this is the midpoint, this is the premium area. It went all the way to the top and then started dropping. But if you look at RSI, it is still green for 3, 5, 10, all the other time frames. Overall, stock is in a bullish trend, right? Your day trading cloud is green, your swing cloud is blue. That means overall, the it is good for bullish, right? If it comes somewhere here and then starts moving up, then we can buy the calls rather than buying the puts because the trend is bullish for this particular stock. Right? You need to, if when you want to buy the puts, you need to see red here, you need to see red here, and you need to see a big sell order block here. As of now, we don't see a major sell order block. It went to the premium zone, but if you see the seller, right? If it goes to 15.5, you can see 65,000 sell order block. That is a good point to buy the puts. As of now, still it has more. If we get a buy signal, maybe it may go all the way till here or all the way till here. So it is better we wait for the buy signal rather than buying the puts here. UPST also from the bottom, it went all the way to the top, touching the sell order block. Yet again, your overall trend is bullish. Your RSI is also mainly bullish. So you better you wait for the buy signal, right? If it touches somewhere here and then start moving up, then it may go all the way till 38.5, where we have the previous week high. So we can give some more time, right? I hope you are getting it, right? If everything is green here, greeny here, you don't want to buy the puts, right? When you have everything green, that means the stock is bullish. You should not enter the puts or you should not be shorting the stock because this might be only for very small amount of time. It may come little bit down, then it may touch this cloud or this cloud and start moving up. So you better wait for the buy signal. When these are bullish, wait for the buy signal. If these are red, wait for the sell signal, right? You should have a common color. If this is green, you don't want to go with the red. You want to go with the green. So, yeah. Right. That too, if you get the buy signal somewhere at the bottom, when these are green, if you get a buy at the bottom, you have a lot more potential to make more profits. Right now, if you get the buy also, it may just go a little bit and there is a big sell order block. Then it may start dropping. So when you get the buy signal, okay, wait, this is green here, this is green here, that is good. But the only problem is we are very close to the resistance, right? This is like our strong resistance. This is where already the big companies want to book the profits and close their long positions. So very quickly it might start dropping. So that is also one more thing you need to consider. Is there any major sell order block or buy order block? You look at TMF, your RSI is completely green in all time frames. Your trend is completely bullish. It went all the way to the top. Did a pullback. Your day trading cloud is green. Your swing cloud is green. And we got a buy signal. So there is right? It may go all the way till 57.66. If it breaks that, it can go to 58.2 or 58.3. So we can go ahead and buy the calls for TMF. 57 call around 1.28. EMF 57 call for August 16th. Right? It is above EMA 200, above swing cloud, above day trading cloud. RSI is completely bullish. Your trend is completely bullish. There is no major sell order block immediately, right? Until 57.6 or 57.7. You don't see anything major ones. Right? Again, if you would have got somewhere here, that would have been the best opportunity, right? Where there is a huge buy order block, but still there is a potential for it to go all the way. It may go here, break, touch this, or it may go all the way till here. So if you want, you can always double check. You can go here, edit. If you see, right, what is the CP ratio? 3.5, right? For every one seller, we have 3.5 buyers. That means that is a good, anything above 3 is very good CP ratio. So SOUN, right? Yesterday we took profits, but if any of you are holding it, more profits on that. CVNA also we have a lot of buyers, 7.1. For HMY 7.7. For real it is 6.2. For SOXL it is 7.0. For UNG it is 15.4. Generally, if this is TMF is going up, then your UB also will be generally bullish. Oh, yes, he is very bullish. UB is also bullish with 3.5. So UB can also move all the way till here, 32.7. If it breaks that, then it can go to 132.16. ZB is also bullish. Let's go to SPY and check. Spy mode all the way to the top. Now giving a pullback. If it comes and touch this area, then we can buy the spy calls. Right, overall trend is bullish. Went from the bottom, right? This is where you have a buy order block. You got a buy signal. Went all the way till the top to the premium area. You're waiting for the buy signal. If I get this buy signal, you can go and check CVNA. So CVNA went touched the premium zone, started dropping. But again, your day trading is green, your swing is blue, your trend is green, your RSI is also mainly green. So it might be only a small pullback. It may just come here, touch, and then start moving up, and then it may go all the way to the top, somewhere to 147. So it is better we wait for the buy signal rather than buying the puts. Only time we buy the puts is where we see a huge sell order block. Otherwise, we better wait for the go along with the trend. Your overall trend is bullish, your momentum is bullish, so don't take the opposite side trades. Yeah, Starbucks also, because they changed the CEO, it is very bullish today. So we should have this buy signal. Yeah, whenever there is a next buy, we can take Starbucks calls. So if you don't see any date for QQQ, that means they are for today's, right? Whatever is the latest expiry. So you have to take QQQ. I think MG gave the QQQ puts. You have to take for today's date. We are waiting for the buy signal on SPY. Actually expected this to touch the cloud and then this was bouncing. I'll explain this about this T4 indicator, but this will help you to let me just minimize this one. So basically, this is also similar to top trend. The signals will be same. Only thing is, right? This is like your cloud. So if you get a buy signal above the cloud, then you can make huge profits, right? That is called as a strong buy. So when price is above the cloud and you get a buy signal, you will see it as a strong buy and it will move huge. For example, if you see a sell signal below the cloud, that will be called as a strong sell. Again, you can make nice profits. So if you get a buy somewhere here below the cloud, it will be just a buy signal. Or if you get a sell signal somewhere here, it will be just a sell. But if you get a buy signal when price goes above the cloud, then that will be a strong buy. If price goes below this cloud and you get a sell signal, that will be a strong sell. So anything, if you buy something with a strong buy or strong sell, they can be nice opportunities. So if price is overall bullish, you will see the green cloud. Price is bearish, you will see the red cloud. So here you can set up alerts for, you can go here and you can create an alert. So whenever there is a buy or sell or strong buy, strong sell, you will receive an alert. So if you receive a strong buy, at that time, again, you can just enable a price pulse. For example, you got a strong buy and you see there is a huge buy order block, then that will give you more confidence to go with the calls. So, and generally, if price starts dropping, it will come until this point and then start going up again. Right? Just like again, similar to top trend, only the view is little different. Just the cloud view will help you. And yeah, strong buy. You can buy ES or NQ. When you see a strong buy on SPY and QQQ, you can also get, because that means the trend is very strong and you got a buy signal. Overall, it is above the cloud. So price started dropping, touched this, and then again started going up. So generally better to avoid sell signals when price is above the cloud, because overall trend is bullish. Even if you get a sell signal, you may get a buy again quickly. The price touches the swing cloud, started bouncing up again. So yes, I should go all the way to the top now. Waiting for a buy signal. You can get SPY 537 calls for today. Get SPY 537 calls. Around 1.7. In the same way, you can get QQQ calls. 457 calls at around $2. 537 call. Right, our entire trend is bullish. RSI is bullish momentum. All the 5, 3, 5, 10, 15, everything is bullish. 1, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, completely bullish. So there is a possibility for it to do a double top. Your day trading cloud is green. Your swing is blue. You got a buy signal. You don't have any major sell order block immediately. Yeah, you can close any short, right? If you opened any short, you can close it, and if SPY is moving, your QQQ also will move. And you can also go with uh, if it this time it may break this one because you have a huge buy order block here, 49,000 buy order block. Right? Everything is green. Everything is green, blue, green. This 40 because it is 49,000, it may break this resistance. It may go all the way till here. So SPY QQQ, then basically you can also get if you want to take low risk, you can go with micros. You can go all the way till here. SPY and QQQ moving huge. Come on, come on. If you want, you can trim some 50%. Then you can trim the remaining 50% here. Yeah, you can trim 80%. 80% of SPY and QQQ calls. We come down, touch this area and go one more time up. You can take profits on remaining QQQ and SPY. So TMF also will move into nice profits in some time. Right, you got it right. So we had this was green, this was green, and we got a buy signal. We saw a huge buy order block. So it immediately, right, within few minutes, it made over $2,000 with 2020 contracts. There is a possibility it may break the resistance, but yeah, and why to take risk when you have nice profits? If it comes again to this area, again we can buy the calls. Again, it can move huge. Right, because we are close to the premium zone, so that's why better to book the profits quickly. Same thing if you got that somewhere here at the bottom, you would have made 400, 500% on the calls. But yeah, again, this happened somewhere in the morning. So we can buy the option calls, but you can buy the stocks here, right? You got a buy order block, buy at the bottom, above EMA 200, everything green. Your swing cloud is green, your day trading cloud is green. We did a double bottom, and there is a huge buy order block. Your trend is completely green. Your RSI is completely green. So what do you think is possible now? So it may either this time it may break this resistance, go all the way till 132.17. You can take profits on TMF. So this may make, right, if it close if it closes another $90 profit. So I'm expecting it to close at 132.08. If it breaks the resistance, it may go all the way here, but again, we want to avoid the risk and because there's the premium area. So now, yeah, it, the limit order got filled. So that made it around $100. Now MNQ, right, with two micros, it made nearly $100. Not taking profits on these MNQs. I kept a limit order. Same thing, I can take profits on MES. Right, another $50 here. So I took profits on MES. I took profits on MNQ. I took profits on UB in the same way, right? At the same time, we took profits on QQQ. We took profits on SPY. We took profits on TMF, right? We are watching the same chart. So if TMF moves up, UB moves up. If QQQ moves up, NQ moves up. SPY, you're so right. So we got a buy signal. Your day trading cloud is green. Your swing is green, right? And then your RSI was green. Your fend was green. You had a big buy order block. So because there is a resistance here, but from here to here itself, you can make huge profits. So, right, with TMF, UB, right, there is a chance it may break, it may go till here, right? But why you want to take a risk when you made some nice 15-20% profits in less than 1 hour? Why you want to, right? Sometimes suddenly it may come down, so better you book the profits or keep some 10%, 20% and wait, take more profits here. Right? Or if you see some red candles in dropping, again you close the remaining 20%, which are like your free runners. Right? Same thing we did with everything, right? SPY. We saw that it came, touched the swing cloud. Everything was green, everything was green. This is green. We bought the calls because there was a resistance. We don't want to take risk. We took the profits. It may break the resistance, go much higher, but right, we made nearly $1,500 within few minutes. Right, immediately as soon as we bought, immediately we saw because there was a huge buy order blocks here. So we took the profits. Same thing we did with QQQ. Price came little bit down, and then we saw a huge buy order block. It went all the way to the top. So if it goes and touch this one, there might be a drop again, but little risky, right? Because overall trend is bullish. We don't want to go against the trend. So unless you are a quick scalper, it is little risky to buy puts here. But yeah, right, when you got a buy signal and then right, you got a buy on SPY at 537.68. It went to 538.45 or something. Whenever you get a buy, you will look for the confluence. Okay, this is looking good, this is looking good, this is looking good, this is looking good, this is looking good. Then you just went and you took the. But again, yeah, war situation still prevails, and also, right, political scenarios. So yeah, I don't think that we are completely again in bullish trend. Things might change. Right? Tomorrow again we have. mm, I think we have CPI numbers tomorrow. Based on that, again market might. Yeah, right. Tomorrow I'll suggest an alternative strategy for the AMD one, because tomorrow, based on the CPI numbers, market might again, because last 3 4 days again it is going all the way up. So if you see in 1 hour, you are close to resistance in 1 hour, 30 minutes. It may go until nearly at the top in 30 minutes. If it goes to 543, there is a huge 2.5 million order block. That is a good time to go shorts. But today it might bounce more. By tomorrow it may touch this point. Then if CPI reports are not good, then we may see a big drop. Right, same thing, right? You have buy. This was green, this was green, this was green. There is a buy order block, everything. So you have a swing. So same time, we made profits with UB long, and also we made profits with TMF calls. So if it breaks this resistance, then it may go all the way till this point, 132.17. Yeah, there is a possibility it will, right? But it will come back, take some energy, and then again go back up. It, and touch this zone. They come all the way till 204. Let us wait for a double top. If it goes and touch this one more time, then better we can buy the puts for Tesla. As of now, still mostly they are green. So most of the time it may go and do a retest, and then it will drop all the way till 202, 203. You can sell 18.5 puts for run and collect the premiums. So if it goes above 18.5 or if it goes to 19, most probably it will go and touch the 19 where there is a huge sell order block. So you can sell 18.5 puts for this Friday. You can collect around $75. Right? Again, the same reason, right? First thing is top trend. gave a buy signal. Your swing cloud is blue. Your day trading cloud is green, which is good, right? Above EMA 200. There is no sell order block close by, right? There is no major resistance, right? This is our strong resistance. This is our strong support. So there is no strong resistance close by. It can go all the way till $19. So top trend gave us the confidence. Then if you want, you see price pulse. You see there is a huge buy order block, 16,000 buy order block. Until here, there is no sell order block. And then everything is bullish here. Everything is green here. Right? If you want, you go to horses scan and check the custom. If you see 27,000 bulls for every 16,000 bears, right? Above 1.6, which is good. So if it is above 2 or above 3, we would have directly gone with calls. And also the volume will be little slow down now, right? It will be little choppy next to 3 hours. So that's why instead of buying calls, we sold the puts. So even if price stays somewhere here also, you'll make gains because you are a seller. You can take the advantage of theta decay. So right, our scanner also gave a confluence. Again, if you want, you go to this one and you see, right, you are above the cloud. You got a buy signal. You are much above the cloud. So there is a high possibility for it to go till 18.5 or $19 by tomorrow. this out. So you can get 77 put for USO for August 16th for around $75, 75 cents. Right? Everything is red. Everything is red. Right? It is below have a sell signal below the cloud. We'd have got somewhere here that would have already made huge profits, but still it can go all the way down to 77. You can see USO for every 3,000 buyers, there are 13,000 sellers. Right? That's a huge bearish. Anything below zero point 0.5 is good for puts. Anything above 2 is good for calls. Right? Above 3 is much better. Above 2 is between 1.5 to 2. You can do the sell puts or sell calls like that. So generally, if USO is going down, then you know that it will be crude oil will be going down. Breaks this area, then it can come all the way here. But again, I'll wait for a pullback to enter the. I don't short this one crude oil. I'll wait if it goes and does a pullback and give a sell signal. We can enter the short on crude oil because it already right. You got a sell here, nearly $600 a drop. So there might be a small pullback and again it will come down. Basically, when you have more indicators, that will give you more confidence, right? You can, before entering, you can watch, right? So you can just trade with top trend itself, right? But when you have more indicators giving the same signal, your confidence will be more. Because as I said, with the prop firms, one good trade can make $2,000 to $3,000. All you need is one good trade with 100 $150 with 20 accounts is nearly $3,000. We made some $100 with UB, 100 with MNQ, 50 with ES, right? Because we saw a perfect setup. The same way, when you have more indicators, now top trend, sell signal, right? Your orange cloud, red cloud, below EMA 200. That means we know that all these are right. This is a good one for short. So top trend is done. Now price pulse. It is showing fair value gaps. It is showing everything in the bearish trend. It is showing everything in the red. Right. So you can see all the sell order blocks 1.5, 2.5, 1.34. So only so it is also showing that crude oil will go down. Then if you go to RC scan and look for futures, If you see crude oil, nearly bearish and 2.9 sellers or 2.5 buyers. That too because now it is at a discount area, so there might be little pullback, as I mentioned. It came all the way to the bottom. There might be a pullback, and again we'll get a sell signal. If it continues to drop, that is fine. But if it goes little bit up and again you get a sell, that is much better opportunity because already it moved so much. So I don't want to take risk with the for the prop firm accounts, right? Options, it is okay because you have time until next 2 3 days, right? Within next 2 3 days, you can see easily it will go all the way down. So you touched it, it might come all the way down. Wait here. Same thing here. We have sell signal, the cloud. So price below the cloud is always a good opportunity for a short. If price is above the cloud, any buy opportunities are good. So even if it comes, it may come touch this one and then again drop. This is like your stop loss, or you can have this one as your stop loss. And this is also predicting further, right? It is not only telling, right, what is the current position, it is also telling where it can drop to. So we are looking somewhere around $78 or next 1 hour. We may see further drop. It again the same reason. Overall below the cloud, everything red here, everything red here. Whichever scanner you see, it is the same orange cloud, red cloud. Whenever you have a big buy candle, then the next candle will be right, especially if it is bearish. Whenever you have a big green candle, next candle minimum 50-60% it will come down. Yeah, that's it everyone for today for the live session. If there are any other alerts, I'll post in the options channel. So, but right again, same thing, right? Whenever I say, just look for the confluence. When you see everything green, good for buy. When you see everything red, good for sell. That's it. There is nothing rocket science here. So you got a sell signal, but your swing is blue, your day trading is red. So it's not a great up. If both of them are red and orange, then it is you can take the sell signal. Because your swing is still blue, then there is a possibility for it to bounce back quickly. So wait for those opportunities where you see complete green or complete red. They are the best ones. We get a buy signal on UB. Again, we can enter UB long. We can also enter EMF calls one more time. There's a 1.34, but these are red as of now. So we should get a buy signal, and if these turn to green, then good for long one more time. So there will be many opportunities every day. So you don't need to. So mainly this green, this thing green. Today was a perfect example for QQQ SPY. So 3 minutes is bearish, everything else is bullish. If three also turns to bullish and you can then you get a buy signal, then that will be a good opportunity. My run is already moving good. There's a high chance for it to break the resistance. Right, even if it drops again, it will come here and again go up because there are nearly 16,000, 17,000 by order block. It did a double bottom here. There is a high chance to break the resistance, go till here. So if it stays above 18.5 by Friday, then all the $75 for every contract is completely yours. Let us say even if stock gets assigned, right, you sold 18.5 and you collected 75 cents. So your break even is 17.75. If it stays above 17.75, you are at a profit. Yeah, USO is a swing. Yeah, most probably tomorrow we can make nice profits on USO. The ES and Q, they are above 1%. You can enable Prism on these ones, or you can enable on all these ones. You get a buy signal on SC, right? It may touch this one and then start moving up. That will be a good opportunity to go long. 5 minutes is bearish here. Otherwise, this is also a good opportunity. Your swing cloud is blue, day trading is green, everything is green. Except if everything is green here. Most probably it should go and touch the sell order block one more time. Then it can drop. You can take profits on run. Made a nice move. Right? If you want, you can keep 20%. Otherwise, you can just take the profits, and if it breaks this one, we can again enter one more time. That's it, everyone. We are just holding USO, which will close tomorrow from today, and then from last week, we are just holding AMT, which probably will close it tomorrow. Yeah, if there are any other alerts, I'll post in the options premium group. Bye, everyone. Have a nice rest of the day and talk to you tomorrow. Yeah, if anyone want to get these indicators, you have to go to ninja underscore epics underscore bot, and you can subscribe for the 399 plan. Yeah, we'll do a session tomorrow for the setup. Where I gave access for all the indicators. You have to just log out and log back in. Yeah, it will be in the evening for the setup session tomorrow evening.